What is up guys, Gage Johnson here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I built this indoor, rustic, farmhouse style double dog kennel. And if you enjoy the video, please consider liking and subscribing. So, let's get on to it.
Okay, I started off by cutting a base that was big enough to fit the 2 trays that I was supplied with, and then I added a little riser platform underneath it so that it will sit about an inch off the floor. Next, I marked and drilled the holes for the rebar and also added pocket holes so that I could screw the side assembly together. I cut the bottom of the side assembly off so that you could easily slide the trays in and out of the kennel once it was all assembled. For the back of the assembly, I drilled and used pocket holes to join the boards together. Moving on to the front, I marked and drilled all of the holes for the rebar, and while also leaving room for the doors, I screwed the assembly together. I then sanded everything that I had built already. Next, I built a center divider the same way I did the back, and then assembled all of my sides together. As you can see here, this is where you can take the bottom part of the side out so that you can slide the tray in and out. Once all of the sides were put together, I screwed pocket holes in the top of each side so that later I can screw the top on. Next, I marked and drilled my holes for the rebar, and I assembled the doors. As you can see here, I am filling any visible cracks or screw holes with wood filler that I will later sand so it will have a flush look. Next, using a cappuccino color, I stained the entire thing. used these hinges that I painted black to attach the doors, and I also attached barrel bolt locks to the doors so that they can lock. I used pocket holes to join the top together, and then I sanded and stained all of it. Once the stain had dried, I laid the top on and I attached it. Finally, I coated the entire thing with a satin polyurethane, and once it had dried, I sanded it with a high grit sandpaper to smooth out any imperfections in the poly coat.
Okay, after hours of work, the kennel is finally finished. Now, let's take a look at some of the final shots.